show off the Porsche.
Yeah.
He felt cool, like he burned out a little bit. Did you hear? Did you see that? Yeah. He deserves it, man.
This customer of ours has ordered over 20 sets of RDB wheels for all of his vehicles, and he always does something different. He doesn't like to do the standard just black or silver. He likes to do different colors, different themes. Here we have the RDB signature wheels in 3-piece with carbon fiber overlay lips. Actually, they're brown carbon fiber overlay lips because this car is actually a PTS off-white color, and then the interior is actually that brown tan color. So it has brown carbon fiber lips, and it has the polished bronze centers. So looks really, really sick, especially with those center locks. This car is on factory suspension. It's not lowered or anything like that. And this is a 2121 setup. Normally people do 2122 if they want that crazy look, or 2021, but this is actually a 2121, which I haven't seen many people do. And it fits the car perfectly. This car is a beast. It has a exhaust system on there from 1016. It's tuned. It has a custom tune on there. It flies. It's super fast, super easy to drive. The best part about this car is that it's like easily daily drivable. At the same time, it could probably destroy almost any car on the street effortlessly. Literally, you just stop at the red light, brake, gas, let go of the brake, and it's gone. So we don't do too many Porsches, as you guys already know, but we love Porsches. We don't discriminate. We want to do more Porsches, so send us your Porsche.
I thought you were somebody famous.
They're gonna do black?
No, he's gonna do body color.
Oh, body color?
Yeah.
Okay, take it out right now. Anyway, they're gonna paint it right now. Can I take it out in the morning?
Because they have to do a thing.
You sure they're gonna send it right now?
That's his ass.
Okay, they do it right away. I'm gonna take it out, you see? They're gonna do it right away. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Two.
Please don't.
¿Ah? ¿Habla español? Don Broken.
Que no la vaya a quebrar. No la vaya a quebrar, por favor.
It's an animal to take it out of the purse.
This.
Dígale.
Bestia.
Es una...
Una bestia. Ah, está, ya ves.
Tenga.
Oh. Vamos a hacer el color del rap. En rims too.
Body color.
Body color.
Así.
Rap color. Rap color.
Rap color.
Rap color.
Vamos a hacer el rap color.
Ahora la puto. See, bro, fucking you. Hey,
Next time.
that picture I give the new sensor for this pendejo. He wants to put a new one.
Next time you throw me the shit, they're gonna kick your candy ass. You know that.
It's like my candy dick. And
You throw me this one, huh?
No, I give it to
Here
you.
is your shit.
Why throw it? Give it to Vic.
Oh, no, don't give it to him. He's already.
Give it to Vic.
Huh?
He wants to see that you change it, pendejo. You take out the old one.
Oh, yeah,
He
right.
doesn't believe it.
Okay.
Because he's the pendejo
Okay.
like you. He's the pendejo like you.
Okay.
All right, speaking of Porsches, we have a special one here. We have a 1996 Porsche Targa. So this is an actually pretty rare car. There's obviously new Targas, but this is an older one. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty because it hasn't been driven for many, many years. This car and actually the car next to it, which is the 1967 Rolls Royce, have both not been driven for a long time. And they both belong to the same family. The son of this family wants to restore both of them to factory-like conditions and have them drivable because they're both not drivable right now. We're going to be doing 2 full paint jobs on both these cars. We're going to be doing full interiors. We're going to make them look literally like brand new. A lot of work is going to go into both of them. Probably the Rolls Royce has more work because it's older. The interior is pretty beat up. As you can see, the leather or the whatever the interior is breaking apart. And there's pieces of it literally just collapsing. The Porsche interior is not that bad, but we're going to redo that too. Porsche engine probably is going to stay. This Rolls Royce engine is probably going to get changed. We were able to start this Porsche. Lots of white smoke, but we got to do all the fluid changes, all that, test it out some more. Rolls Royce doesn't start at all, obviously. So nowhere else you're going to get this type of variety of jobs here and at the speed and pricing and quality at RDB. Probably my favorite shoot was the studio shoot, which I thought that was, for some reason, it feels like it was like 2022, but it wasn't. It was 2023. So we took 3 SF90s. 2 of them are spiders, and one of them is a very rare color, Verde Francesca. And this is in March. Okay, SF90s were barely even out. The green one we actually had completed like right in December. And then we did the black one and the red one, which are both spiders. And we took it to a studio. We've never rented a studio before. We've never paid to go shoot anything. And we rented the studio, which was like an industrial studio. There was like a gym setting with a boxing ring. And like lights, all kinds of stuff.
That jet airplane, remember? Like a staged.
Oh yeah.
I mean, that's nothing with cars, but it was there.
Yeah, there was a bunch of cool stuff there. Yeah. And then we also took 2 Sennas with us. Mm-hmm. So we took 3 SF90s and 2 Sennas, 5 cars. We actually had our buddy bring his big transport truck enclosed, and we put the 2 Sennas and the black SF90 on there. And then me and Mano drove the green and the red SF90 to the location. So yeah, that shoot was really, really cool. Nobody had really seen modified SF90s, and we did 3 of them, fully highly modified, like carbon fiber everywhere on the outside, body kit, suspension, wheels, exhaust, you name it. These 3 cars had it, and I still think about that because nobody out there has done anything in that caliber where they took those cars to a studio. It's not a car meet, not a car show. It's just, we thought, let's film a little thing for you guys, and we did that. So pretty cool. You guys let us know which one of these 3 are your favorites. The red, the green, or the matte black. The green, I think, is, even though it's the coupe, it's truly crazy because it's...
Do you hear that?
He's sleeping.
No, it's not me. Somebody was snoring.
That wasn't me. 100% that was me.
Yeah.
I swear that wasn't me.
Because I thought okay, never
I was
mind.
this far away.
It was like,
Yeah, it was him.
really?
I looked at his face. He was stuck.
No, I'm looking at the cars. Because you were saying red and then red passed. You say green
Was he
passed.
seriously asleep?
So, no, not sleep. I just think his brain shut off.
Yeah.
I was watching it.
Oh, I heard it again.
Oh, man.
He stopped talking. He was in a deep conversation.
But you guys let us know which SF90 you guys like.
Why everything is being
That was
played?
probably my favorite shooter of 2023. Does anybody else have any favorite?
Yeah, my favorite one is the red one.
What?
Red
Oh, the
one.
SF90.
Yeah.
I'm talking about like 2023, like what we've done.
Yeah,
That's been your favorite car? Okay.
For sure. And it was
and
fun
then,
too. It was
after
fun
that,
too.
after that is your Range Rover.
Okay.
That's my
I think the crazy Liberty Walk Aventador was a big project, and because we painted that, we put all our skills into that car,
But that one looks like more looks like a toy than a car.
which is cool. I don't. It's built for
Yeah, but-
fun and clout, so that was the purpose. We painted it a Ferrari color, so honestly, again, like I said, that just shows our work. We did all the body work. We had to fix everything. We did a paint work. We had the stance perfected with the wheels. I mean, it really, we had to do a lot of work on this thing to make it right.
Is
So,
the owner like posting this car or no?
Yeah, the owner. The thing is, the owner is all the way on the East Coast, so we don't see it much. But he does. He has like his own social media. I think he's doing like a couple T-shirts with the car too and stuff like that. But yeah, he's out there. Go on our past YouTube and stuff. You'll see his information. But yeah, that was a awesome build because it was like a full all-out build. So that was cool. We did the 3 Performante URUS wide bodies. They came out. We did all 3 within like 2-3 months. That was cool too. Obviously the Range Rover wide body.
The white one is.
We did like 6 of them.
Can you
I
make
like the G wagons that we did.
Can you make it bigger?
Yeah.
It's fucking sick.
Yeah, so the new Range Rover is hot car, and the wide body kit is simple but looks really nice.
The picture in real life, it looks so much better. I don't know why.
No,
Doesn't
picture
like-
looks sick.
I mean, no, it does look good, but in person, it looks much beefier. And
The custom G wagon truck that we did, that was pretty cool too.
which one?
Along like the
It's not done yet, sadly.
Yep.
Truck?
one that we painted already.
Yeah, we painted it, but it's not like
Yeah.
completed.
No, I'm saying
but
it was like a
That
lot.
was
it's coming out
sadly
nice.
is gonna be like January, February.
That was a lot of work.
It's
so
at
much
the
work.
Original builder
Lot of
now
work.
getting stuff done, but yeah. GT3RS came out. We had one of the first
But
ones.
did you notice like we didn't do much GTRS? Like 2 of them. That's it.
We're not known for Porsche. The thing
Yeah,
is,
but it doesn't
like
matter.
people are not.
Did you see GTR?
That one right
Yeah,
there,
I did say GTRS.
right?
No man, that's the old one.
Yeah, but like
Yeah,
similar.
GT3.
That was like 5 years ago.
Which one are you talking about? Oh, that one? No, that was a long time ago.
That's
Yeah,
the
like
other
4 or
shop.
5 years ago.
That was the other shop.
Damn, I forgot about the black one. The thing.
the convertible one that we did. Remember? That was cool too.
It's
Oh,
like
damn,
the-
we forgot about these cars.
Talking about this year.
You're talking about.
No, I know. I'm saying that.
No, he's saying like in general. Like
general,
we're
like,
forgetting these cars.
we're forgetting-
They're crazy.
But yeah. So this year has been. Fun.
Oh, that Range Rover shoot. Is that the one you were talking about?
Yeah, we did the
Yeah,
three,
I like that one
we did
too.
the 3 wide body Range Rovers
Yeah.
photo shoot also.
Yeah, this was cool. I remember.
Again,
this
you
one.
don't see this shit out there. You don't.
Oh, that's a nice shot.
Yeah, the white
And they're
one is
unique,
good.
like obviously it's very easy to show off a black car in black and white photos. It's much different when it's colorful cars and normal colored photos. Real life stuff, not fake. Not trying to fake it out there on the internet and show you guys something that is not in real life.
That's nice.
The Brabus GT3
Yeah.
we did was really nice in the Centaur bronze color. That came out really, really nice too. Yeah. Car was sick.
And the Hummer. We forgot the Hummer. That was cool too.
The Hummer EV.
The wheels and wrap and everything.
Yeah, the EV was cool.
The Lambo,
What?
the limo.
Limo?
Yes, the limo Lambo.
What?
Limo Armo.
No, the limo Lambo.
6x6.
Limo Lambo?
Right there.
Why are you calling it a limo? It's not a
Because-
fucking limo.
Who's gonna drive this? This is for like limo.
No.
No? Who's gonna drive this, bro?
Somebody. Not you.
Yeah, for sure.
Limo Lambo.
I like this purple one. There's something about that. I don't even like purple, but this one was sick.
That's a whole nother level purple. This is really, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it was different. It's a different color. and it had a lot of carbon on it too. The purple and the carbon pops really nice. Wheels are nice.
Damn.
Yeah, no, that was a nice build. I like it. We have 3 more Performante years we're gonna do right in the beginning of the new year. So we're gonna start off the new year really strong.
Sorry, Luigi. Lewis is he has his hands full.
Yes, he does. I'm making him sign a contract today.
Before
He's like, "You're gonna own me, huh?" I was like, "Yeah." Yep. But 2024. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Hey, we forgot that Porsche too. When I just left today, that was a nice one.
Wait. Oh yeah, the Spectres. Jesus, forgetting this.
What do you mean we forgot? We just did it.
A lot of Spectres as well came
forgot to talk
through.
about it.
We did 2 modified ones. What?
I'm saying we forgot to talk about the Porsche that we just finished.
He just said we're not poor. We're not like Porsche.
I get it, but that was a nice
We
one.
wrapped the Pagani as well.
Yeah. No, yeah,
Huayra.
Pagani.
Huayra, Roadster,
Not
wrap
just like
that we weren't
continue to post it.
posting.
Yeah.
And we put a Christmas tree on fire.
We're stupid. We should have put that on like a helicopter in the clouds and then like a black and white photo shoot on it. All kinds of shit.